Welcome back to the channel. I hope that you're all having a beautiful, absolute wonderful weekend. I did want to, well, as you can tell by the name, we are changing the name of the YouTube channel. Right now, I believe it's restoring a 1920 tuberculosis sanitarium. That's just really too long, and one of the advice that I got from a YouTube person that creates videos to teach you how to, you know, optimize your YouTube channel. It's just too long. The house or the building was known, even and I'll leave a link. You'll see it right up here to articles on everything about the house being called the White Sanitarium. So for as long as everybody has known, the place has been called the White Sanitarium. So we are changing the name to shorten it down. So we're shortening it down to the White Sanitarium, effective tomorrow. And we're also going to be changing the time when we upload videos. So right now, I've been trying to shoot for either Tuesday night or Wednesday night. That's going to change. I'll have the videos and everything edited, and we're going to shoot for a Friday o'clock. 5 p.m. Central Time, because I'm in Texas, so Central Time, yeah. So be expecting things to change up a little bit. I'm trying to make this better so that it'll be content that y'all will appreciate. We're going to be doing some crazy stuff, not just working on the house, but showing my pretty stupid or pretty goofy personality. So yeah, we're just gonna be doing stuff like that, and so I appreciate everybody that's watching, and I appreciate all you subscribers, all the new subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, I invite you to like the page, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we're gonna be doing weekly uploads at 5 p.m. Central Time on Fridays, and of course the whole reason for this video is to let you know that we are changing the channel's name to the White Sanitarium from the old name, which was just really too long. So that is the plan, and effective tomorrow, it will be changed to the White Sanitarium. I thank you for watching, and I hope that you subscribe, and I hope you have a blessed day, and as I always say, take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Peace.